What's up, guys? This is Dana from Ocean State Harley-Davidson, down here today at our Exeter location. I'm out here with this 2020 Harley-Davidson Softail Deluxe in Billiard Red and Vivid Black. So, Billiard Red, Vivid Black. This bike's got a Milwaukee 107 engine, 6-speed cruise drive transmission. It's got a really cool tombstone taillight in the back. Definitely one of the more classic looking bikes we have. Deluxe comes with passing lamps, all LED lights. And this bike's got beautiful white wall tires on it, which really adds to the overall aesthetic, like a classic looking bike. The new Deluxes are set up for a single rider, but you can add pegs and a back seat quite easily. These knurled nuts actually have a place right here where you can slip in a back passenger pillion. So let's go ahead and start the bike so you can hear it run. Come on down and check this bike out. See our full current inventory online at oceanstatehd.com. Right now it's down here at our beautiful Exeter store, down here in Exeter, Rhode Island. And thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it. We'll talk to you soon.